Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your computer teacher from Allied School. Now we are going to start third chapter of computer, networks and multimedia. After reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to network and multimedia. First one is networking, LAN, WAN, internet, intranet, email. Next one is CI, CL, video conferencing. Second last is multimedia and its applications. Last one is Windows Media Player. Now we are going to start our first lecture. First we learn what is networking. And in our network, computers are connected to each other, and the computers are connected to each other can share their information, resources, equipments to each other. It is a way in which we can share information on the World Wide Web. And the network is a collection of millions of computers that are connected to each other to share different types of information in the form of text, graphics, audio, video, etc. Not only we can share information, we can also share the equipments of the computer. Computer networking enables devices and endpoints to be connected to each other on a local area network. These computers are connected to each other in different areas, countries, to share information. It helps us to share files and resources in the World Wide Web. There are more three types of network: LAN, WAN and MAN. In this chapter, we discuss about LAN and WAN. First, we discuss about LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network, and it covers very small area like a school library, a building, and the area covered by LAN is limited as compared to WAN and MAN. And it is a cheap way to get connected to each other in any part of the building or library. Next one is WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. WAN can cover large area as compared to LAN, but its transferring speed of data is slower as compared to LAN, because it can cover the area of a country to country or branch to branch. Next one is internet. We know that internet is a collection of millions of computers that are connected to each other to share information and resources over the internet. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the internet protocol. And internet also converts our world into a global village. We know that internet is a way, by using internet we can transfer large amount of data from one computer to another computer. That's why it is known as internet working. Next is interoperability. Interoperability is a way in which different countries get connected with different operating systems to communicate with each other, and this is another way of internet. Next is intranet. Internet is a private network created using World Wide Web. like it is created for one's own organization to get connected with different computers, operating systems. It is a system which we developed for own organization for specific purpose to get connected in the world area network. Next is email. Email stands for electronic mail. Email is a method of sending and receiving messages, data, information from one computer to another computer, and this information in the form of text, graphics, audio, video, etc. And sending mails by using computer is very common nowadays, and the use of email is very common because it is easy way to send the files or videos, audios to each other. Next one is CAI. CAI stands for Computer Assisted Instructions. CAI is instruction material which is used to store and prepare computer programs. After getting information, to check knowledge, ask some regarding question. If the answer is correct, we move to next step, and if the response is incorrect, information is repaired and again questioning. Next one is CAL. CAL stands for Computer Aided Learning. By using this software, first we search the information and investigate the information which we find to the information. After getting information, we move to the next step, and the next step is getting the theory and making the questions. Next one is video conferencing. In video conferencing, we can share documents, videos, audio related to the specific task. Video conferencing is an attractive way of conversation. In this way, not only voice but also we can see the participants at different places by using computer network and mobile phones. There are two more ways of video conferencing. First one is point to point. Second is multi-point. In point to point allows only two persons to get connected to each other to share information at a particular topic. Next is multi-point. In multi-point video conferencing allows more than two persons to get connected to each other to share their information and resources over the internet. Next one is multimedia application. In multimedia applications, we can control the text, audio, videos and animations at a time. It is the ability when we process a sound in the computer. First we required a sound card to process the sound and a speaker to hear it. Multimedia applications are used in the area educational purpose, playing movies, playing music, playing games, etc. Next topic is Windows Media Player. In Windows Media Player, we can run songs, videos related to educational purpose or entertainment. We can run CDs and DVD movies. To start Windows Media Player, follow the given steps. First click Start, then go to All Programs. Click the Windows Media Player. This is the Start button. After click this button, click the All Program. A list of options appears. Click the Multimedia Player. When we click Windows Media Player, this page will appear on your computer screen. After showing this, insert an audio CD into the CD drive and choose the option to play songs from left pane of the window. These are the control buttons related to Windows Media Player. This button is known as Turn Shuffle On, Turn Repeat On, Stop, Previous, Pause or Play, Next, Mute, Volume Slider, Volume Bar and Seek Bar. Playing a song on your computer, follow the given steps. First click File, then click the Open. When you click the Open, this page will appear. Select the music and this page will appear on your screen. Click the sound will play automatically on your computer screen. To exit this program, click the File again and click the Exit option. The program of Windows Media Player is closed automatically. We are going to perform practical work of Windows Media Player. First step is click the Start button. Go All Program. Next step is click Windows Media Player. This page is appear on your computer screen. Select the music which you want to play. These are known as control button of this page. First one is Turn Shuffle On. Next is Turn Repeat On, Stop, Previous, Pause or Play, Next, Volume, Mute, Volume, and this known as Volume Bar. This is also known as Seek Bar. Now we are going to play a song on your computer by practically. Now click the File button. Click the Open. When we click this button, a list of music display on your computer screen. Select the music which you want to play. If we want to close this page, click File. Now we are going to perform how can we play a song on a computer. Select File button. Click Open. Click the music. Open. Select the music which you want to play. Again select the music and click the open button. To close the program, click the file and click the exit. After click this button, our program is closed. Friends, this is the exercise of chapter number 3. Students will highlight these key terms and learn them. First key term is CAI. CAI stands for Computer Assisted Instruction. Next one is CL. CL stands for Computer Aided Learning. Third one is Internet, Network of Networks. Last one is LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Second last is WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Last one is Windows Media Player. Plays audio, CDs and sound files. Student, this is the exercise of chapter number 3. Students will solve this exercise by yourself. Otherwise, tally your solved exercise with this solved exercise. Question number A. Choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Question number 3. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number E. Match the following. Question number D. Answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer these questions are exercise questions. Question number 1. What is the another name of email? Answer. The another name of email is email. Question number 2. What is the full form of CAI? The full form of CAI is Computer Assisted Instruction. Question number 3. What is point-to-point and multi-point video conferencing? Answer. In point-to-point video conferencing, two persons are connected to each other to share information. Second is multi-point video conferencing. In multi-point video conferencing allows 3 or more participants to get connected to each other to share information. Question number 4. What are the elements of LAN? Answer. Communicating with other computers in the office, email, sharing resources, accessing the internet, video conferencing, file sharing. Question number 5. What is internet? Answer. Internet is a collection of millions of computers that are connected to each other by using wires or cables. Question number 6. What is internet? Answer. A private network created using World Wide Web. Question number 7. What is video conferencing? Answer. Video conferencing is the process of conducting a conference between 2 or more participants at different places by using computer networks. Question number 8. What is the difference between internet and intranet? Internet is a collection of millions of computers that are connected to each other to share information by using wires and cables. Next is intranet. Internet is a private network created using World Wide Web. Question number 9. How do you start Windows Media Player? Answer. Follow these steps to start Windows Media Player. First step is click Start, go to All Programs and click Windows Media Player. Second is you will see the Windows Media Player on your screen. Third point is insert an audio CD into the CD drive. Last point is select the song which you want to play. Question number 10. Explain various control buttons of Windows Media Player. Answer. Turn shuffle on, turn repeat on, stop, previous, pause or play, volume slider, volume bar, seek bar, next, mute.